Hey, good day guys, this is a G-Class old model to new model conversion, all the way from 1991 to 2023 look, G63 look guys. So as you can see, it's complete fenders, iron type, the metal type. It's black headlights with the black housing with LED. This will be starting separate, then lens. Grille is there. Moldings are there for the body. You can see they are already equipped with inserts. The black inserts are already coming with the rubber moldings. This is small piece is also there. Then splash guards, the fender liners for all the four-wheel arches included. Rear mud guards, mud flaps also there. All the installation frames, fender lamps, tail lamps, rear bumper reflector lamps. Okay, rear bumper is also complete with the brackets, dummy parking sensor covers. Rear lamp, okay, everything is there. License plate lamp, some rubber seals, some clips. This is the rear bumper. Everything is PP and ABS plastic, so it's 100% quality guys, not some kind of cheap polyurethane. It's polypropylene or ABS only. Wheel arch, you can see everything is with clips. Proper way guys, proper way. See, in the quality, it's very rigid. It has a shape. It's not polyurethane guys. This is high quality items, good quality. Okay, then some more brackets over there. This is a complete view like this. For the hood, there is a cover coming also, the vent. Those reflectors, covers also, it's everything. The bumper pieces are complete. You can see there is some grille outer and grille inside. Also dummy parking sensor covers also there. You can make it functional or you keep it like that if the car is old model. License plate holders for front and back. Front vents, this lens cover to fit inside the bumper here. It's like radar look. Some badges. Okay, there's some vents, grills for the side, headlamp cover, and this is door mirrors. Please inform us if this is down courtesy lamp. If your car is old model or new model, like before 2008, it's a different shape. After 2008, the other shape. So it's coming with sensors or without. You can see this is the shape on the back of the mirror. Everything is there. Wires. Okay guys, here's the wire. Some of you asking me about the wires. There's the pins. Here are the pins from the mirror. Brackets, rubber seal also is there. Okay, that's a mirror. About headlamp connectors, just in case if you want to know. Okay, this is the headlamp. And these are the pins. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay. 3. All right, thank you for watching guys. The kit is available. So you have to paint. Only the grille is painted and side door mirrors are painted. Door moldings also painted. The rest of the parts, bumpers, headlamp covers, fenders, fender flares, you have to paint. Okay, thanks for watching.